How to set up auto post feature with BitSocial. So, this is the BitSocial dashboard. Navigate to the auto post section. First, click the account button to connect your social media account. Now we see different types of social media platforms. Click on Connect button under LinkedIn. Sign in your LinkedIn account. Your LinkedIn account will be displayed in the pop-up. Click on the Save button. You will see a LinkedIn account connected in BitSocial account section. Then go to the Auto Post section. Now select your account. If you enable this option, your new WordPress post will be automatically shared on your connected social media accounts. If you enable the Keep Shared Post Log option, all your shared posts will be logged for review. Or disabling it may prevent Insights viewing and cause duplicate posts when using the scheduling module. Now click on Templates button. You can set up the template for LinkedIn form here. Under Custom Message, click on the Show Smart Tags option, then select your desired tags to personalize your post. You can also use only custom messages, link cards, and featured images as posting types. I am select a feature image. If you enable this option, your personalized message will be shared up to 3,000 characters, otherwise, the post will be restricted by LinkedIn's character limit. Then get back to the Auto Post section. Go to the WordPress dashboard and click on Add New Post. You can write something about your post here. You can also add a featured image form here. Finally, click the Publish button. Then get back to the Auto Post section and click on Logs. You see your post schedule. You can also check response. Your post status. If you click on the Visit button, you will see that the post has been shared on LinkedIn. That's all for this tutorial. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.